Deep beneath the Earth's crust, hidden inside ancient volcanic structures, lies some of the most valuable minerals ever formed. For millions of years, pressure and heat forged pure carbon into the world's hardest natural substance, the diamond. Today, this rare geological treasure is no longer reserved only for jewelry. It has become the foundation of a billion-dollar skincare industry, where luxury meets science and nature meets extreme precision. Our journey begins in remote mining fields, where geologists search for traces of kimberlite, the volcanic rock known to conceal diamonds. Once identified, entire excavation teams mobilize, moving thousands of tons of earth in a synchronized industrial ballet. From crushing machines to dense media separation tanks, each step brings us closer to revealing tiny flashes of crystallized carbon hidden inside the rock. Inside advanced sorting facilities, X-ray scanners detect the faint glow of diamonds as they fall through high-speed chutes. Air jets fire instantly, separating them from ordinary minerals with unimaginable accuracy. These recovered diamonds, once locked in volcanic pipes for billions of years, now enter a different world, the world of high-precision engineering. Here, lasers carve microscopic facets, and robotic polishers refine each surface to optical purity. But instead of becoming gemstones, many are transformed further. They enter milling chambers, where diamonds are ground into ultrafine powder measured in nanometers. This powder, with its extraordinary hardness and light-diffusing properties, becomes the active ingredient in luxury skincare formulations. In sterile cosmetic laboratories, the diamond powder blends with botanical extracts, mineral waters, and advanced emulsions. Robotic mixers move with scientific precision. Ultrasonic chambers break the formula into microscopic droplets, creating a serum so smooth it reflects light like liquid crystal. Every bottle is filled without air, sealed, labeled, inspected, and packaged by synchronized machinery. From warehouses to distribution centers, and finally to retail shelves around the world, the journey continues, ending in the hands of consumers seeking brilliance in a bottle. From the depths of the earth to the height of human innovation, this is how nature's hardest substance becomes one of beauty's most luxurious secrets.
Look at how that lights up.
The diamond dust actually sparkles.
The texture is absolutely divine, and the packaging is
is exquisite. I think this one here might be even better.
Yeah.